welcome to my great friend, Her Excellency Anita Anand, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Canada, to Pakistan. Her visit is an important milestone in Pakistan-Canada relations and reflects our shared commitment to further strengthening our bilateral ties. Pakistan and Canada enjoy long-standing and multifaceted relations underpinned by historical linkages, people-to-people contacts, and a vibrant Pakistani diaspora in Canada. Our discussions today provided an opportunity to review the entire spectrum of bilateral relations and exchanges on regional and global issues of mutual interest. We reaffirmed our commitment to sustained engagement and agreed to build upon the momentum generated by this visit of Her Excellency through enhanced institutional cooperation, regular bilateral consultations, and greater interaction between relevant ministries and stakeholders of Canada and Pakistan. Economic cooperation remains a key priority in our bilateral relationship. We discussed ways to further expand trade and investment ties, including through greater facilitation of business-to-business linkages and enhanced engagement in area of mutual interest. Pakistan welcomes Canadian investment in priority sectors including education, energy, mining and critical minerals, agriculture, infrastructure, and information technology. In this context, with regard to the agriculture sector today, we will be signing a new protocol establishing predictable phytosanitary import conditions for Canadian canola, and it will be signed in the Prime Minister's office, and Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan will witness it. We both would sign that later. We agreed for Pakistan's National Agri-Trade and Food Safety Authority and Environment Protection Agency and the Canadian Food Inspection Agency to explore opportunities for technical cooperation and capacity building in the future. We also discussed the importance of advancing the Foreign Investment Promotion and Protection Agreement. We noted the progress achieved in the recent rounds of negotiations between the two countries, and we welcomed continued engagement towards an early and mutually beneficial conclusion of this agreement. We discussed the important role of investment facilitation in providing a facilitative framework for investors and invited Canadian and companies to explore emerging opportunities in Pakistan. Our discussions also covered cooperation in the areas of education, labor mobility, consular matters, science and technology, climate change, and people-to-people exchanges. We expressed our shared interest in further strengthening these areas of cooperation. We also exchanged views on regional and international developments, including the situation in Afghanistan and counter-terrorism cooperation. I did raise the issue of Jammu and Kashmir dispute, which remains one of the long outstanding unresolved international dispute and has been on the UN Security Council agenda since 1948. India has added a new dynamic into an already volatile security situation by announcing to hold the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. We seek the support of our friendly countries, including Canada, towards India's immediate restoration of the Indus Water Treaty, ending the weaponization of water and upholding international law and treaty obligation as per the international law and practices. We would be issuing a joint statement outlining the shared priorities and outcomes of our discussions today, which would reflect our common resolve to further strengthen Pakistan-Canada relations and enhance cooperation across various areas of mutual interest. This joint statement will be later uploaded on Ministry of Foreign Office website so that you can access directly. Pakistan appreciates Canada's constructive engagement and looks forward to further deepening our bilateral relationship based on mutual respect, shared interests, and common desire to promote peace, stability, and prosperity. My sincere thanks to my great friend, Foreign Minister Anita Anand, for her visit at my invitation, and look forward to continued cooperation between our two countries. Thank you. Over to you, Excellency.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Let me begin by thanking Deputy Prime Minister Dar for the warm welcome here in Pakistan. It has been 20 years, approximately 20 years since a Canadian foreign minister has come.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।